Now I want to show you how you use the break command with polybeams. So imagine you have a polybeam. You can have the corners chamfered as well. For example, let me select these corners over here and chamfer them. Let's say 500 millimeters, something like that. So I've got the chamfers in place. Now, if I go to my edit menu and I want to break this polybeam at a certain point over here and a certain point over here, for example, all I need to go is go to the edit frame menu, and there you have, just like you have the break frame command, you also have the break polybeam command. And if you select that, then it'll ask you to select a polybeam, and then it'll ask for a point. So I can give it that point, and you can see that the polybeam is now broken at that point. Similarly, I can select it again and give it another point over here, and it breaks it at that point as well. And after this point, I can now, if I wanted to, I could just make my splice connections between the two. So this is a very convenient way of breaking polybeams, just like you would use the break frame command to break normal frames.